Hi, I'm Ray, and this is the gardening channel with Ray. And if you're new to my channel, then every month I do a review of Kitchen Garden and Grow Your Own magazine. But this year, for February, I could not find the Grow Your Own magazine, which is a bit unusual. I travelled all up and down the country, and I've been to various stores and not seen a version of Grow Your Own magazine. But today I've noticed Your Easy Veg Garden Magazine, and this is a publication from Grow Your Own magazine. So I had a quick look at it, and then I saw the price, and it was £9.99, and I thought, well, it was a bit steep really, it was a bit hefty for a magazine. And when you look at the thickness of the magazine, yeah, and I don't know. Well, it does give you 15 seed packets, and then I'm thinking about it, and I thought, well, maybe. But then I was looking at the seeds on the front. I thought this may be quite attractive to new allotment holders, new vegetable gardeners, as a lot of the seed packets are here, all from Thompson and Morgan, but they are actually seeds that are quite standard and quite, you know, they're okay. If you're starting off from fresh, it's good. But it also says on the front, free RHS book worth £20 and free Grow Your Own magazine worth £4.99. So if we get a free book and a free Grow Your Own magazine, both at £20, £25, and we get the seeds for £9, yeah, maybe. And there's also 50% off a pre-cooked roasting tin and a Grow Your Own binder, just £5, plus a monthly veg planner. So let's have a look at what the seeds are we have inside. Also, how to build a wildlife garden with Francis Tophill. So let's have a look and see. We did do a video of Your Easy Garden a few months ago, and I'll add a link of that to the channel. So we look at the seeds, and we've got quite a few seeds that we can choose from, and the one that really interested me was this one on the front, tomato black Russian. Well, I'll go through and I'll have a look at, tell you what the seeds are that come with the magazine. So as like I mentioned, black Russian, and we'll also go through and tell you how many seeds and when this can be sown. So this can be sown under glass, March to April, and these come with 20 seeds. So that's quite good, black Russian, and I like the look of black. I don't know, black tomatoes doesn't seem right, but I like the idea. So let's stick these over here. We've got celery cutting. These can be sown from January right through to June. So this can be put on our February sowing list. This is a winter celery plants frequently, particularly during high periods. And we got 500 seeds. So that's quite a good going. Also a herb, parsley. This can be sown all year round, and it's one of the most popular herbs for culinary use as a garnish. So that's good. And also calabrese. Well, I was looking for some calabrese and I could not find any, but these can be sown from March through to June, and it's an outstanding summer autumn variety, smooth domed heads with medium beads. So we're looking forward to that, broccoli. And we get 75 seeds in this, so that's one thing I will grow. Along with the Russian, I will be using that. And radishes, these radishes are cylindrical roots for pungent flavour, and these can be sown between May and June, which is quite late for radish. And we got 150 seeds in these. Looks a bit like the French breakfast. And also we've got a cucumber, and this is Masterpiece. And Masterpiece is an early and reliable British selection for outdoor cultivation. The variety produces heavy crops of dark green skinned, slightly spined. These can be sown from March, April, and outdoors May and June, and we get 10 seeds of the masterpiece. So that's something we can do. And lettuce. This is Rica Rosso da Taglio, and it's an ideal addition to any salad or sandwich or year-round harvest. And this can be sown directly from March right through to October. And there's 1,000 seeds in there, so should be right for that. And we got some chili peppers called cayenne. And there's long thin fruits, long cropping season, versatile for wide range of culinary uses. And these can be sown from February through to April. So that's a good one for the February sowing list. So the next pack we've got some carrots. And this is Royal Chantenay. And I really like Royal Chantenay. We did some of these in the buckets, and we just literally cooked them as it was in the pot, straight in a stew, and they were lovely. They were really good. They were the best carrots I've kind of had. I don't grow very many varieties, just seems to have had hard work. But these were done in containers, and if I find a link, I'll add a link to it. These are short, stout carrots with orange red cores, sweet, crisp flavoured roots, high in vitamin A. So I would definitely be doing those. So far, there's quite a few that we'll be sowing, even though we've got our seed collection, which is massive. And the next one we've got on our list here is kale. And this is a dwarf green kale. I really want to eat more kale this year. I just don't really know what we do with kale, and it's really weird. I know people have it as shakes, but I'm not really a shaky kale person. This is a curly kale, very popular and reliable winter hardy greens at a time when fresh, nutritious vegetables can be in short supply. So these can be sown from April through to June, and there's 200 seeds in there. We don't need 200 seeds of kale. Also, turnip. Well, turnip, we don't do turnips. We do Swedes, but not turnips. But this is snowball, and this is 500 seeds. Crisp white roots, low in calories. But they might be in my traditional allotment. I think we should maybe grow some turnips. I think turnips in Sweden are traditional allotment. So yeah, I will do this. And this is 500 seeds. So that will be done. Onions, Red Baron. We've got quite a few onions, Red Baron. And I'm not quite sure where our onions are, Red Baron. Not sure, but we've got some somewhere along the line. These can be sown February through to April. Delicious, good flavoured, deep red onions, perfect for salads and roasting. So as we can see, there's quite a good selection of standard vegetables in the magazine. And we've also got the standard cauliflower all year round. And most people grow cauliflower all year round. Large, tight heads, sweet flavour, eaten raw in dips and steamed vegetables. So that's good, and we get 100 seeds with cauliflower all year round, and we can always have cauliflowers. This is our cauliflowers we got growing in the polytunnel now. And we've got loads still spare growing, so they can be passed on to anybody else. And we got some courgette, and this is or zucchini, tender fruits, harvest from 3 inches long, crops over a long period, suitable for outdoors or in the greenhouse. My neighbour grew some courgettes in his polytunnel, and he absolutely overtook the polytunnel, and I'm never going to be doing courgettes in a polytunnel. That was pretty crazy. But these can be sown between April and May, and there's 10 seeds in this packet, and they can be sown right through to February 2023. And last on the list is beetroot. And normally we have Bolt Hardy, but this one is Detroit 6 rubulus. Large quality roots of supreme flavour, excellent for early and successional sowings. And successional sowing is what I want to do more this year, and I really got to be on top of that. So I'm going to be doing this for sure, if it's good for successional sowings. And it stores well during winter. And this can be sown between March and July, and we get 80 seeds. So that's the selection of seeds that we get with the magazine. And although they're quite standard, if you've got a big selection of seeds, you probably won't need this many, and you won't want these varieties. But if you're new, or if you want to give a present to somebody that's just starting an allotment, this would be an ideal present. And you're really set up with quite a lot of the standard seeds that you'd want on an allotment. So here we go. I'll have a quick look at the magazine and we'll see if there's any instructions on how to grow our seeds. So this is the seeds we got, and we're quite pleased with that selection. And then we're going to go into my seed sorting box, and we're going to grow some of those for next year, this year. Very pleased. So I'm going to take a look at the magazine, and we've got a seed 21 planner, and this looks very similar to the grow your own one, which is exactly the same. It's exactly the same as the grow your own one, and that comes in handy. Tells you when to sow. July. This page is from January through to June. We turn the page over from July to December, and it tells you when to sow, when to plant, when to harvest, and it gives a little write-up. These beans are well easy to grow throughout the year, so 5 centimetres deep, 15 centimetres appealed, yields 6 to 12 pods per plant, so it gives a bit of explanation, and that's not too bad at all. So we have a quick look at the magazine. We won't go into it too deeply. I just wanted to see if it tells you the plants, the seeds that we've given. Yeah, here we go. How to grow cauliflowers at a glance. So February through to May, October, step by step. How to grow parsley. How to grow onions. How to grow celery. So it gives you all the seeds that we give. It shows us how to grow them with a good write-up, pest and problems, harvest time, carrots, beetroot, top tips. So it's really quite interesting, and if you're new, this would be really useful. Cucumbers, tomatoes, tells you the troubleshooting. So yeah, sow like a pro. 10 top tips of start sowing successes to keep your fragile young seedlings healthy. So there's quite a lot of nice information in here, and a couple of recipes. Raise your garden beds, 5 easy groups to throw, compost bin for free, how to build a Hugh Richards, how to grow a compost bin for free, and that looks really easy, straightforward to use, which should be quite good. And it tells you here what to put in your compost bin, and it's also showing Hugh's book. Yep, so well done. Also growing under cover. Greenhouses, polytunnels and cold frames are fantastic, and they are. Pests and Diseases, showing you slugs, caterpillars, ladybirds, blossom end rot. So yeah, so I think this is quite a good magazine. How to build a bug hotel, create a wildlife friendly garden. So there we go, how to water, about plug plants, essential tools, how to grow potatoes, preparing a new plot. That could be really handy for people with a new allotment. So there we go. So I really think that's a good setup. For $9.99, I actually think it's quite a good deal. Although, you know, the price, it's actually not that bad. Full details, all those seeds, £10. One packet of seeds is going to cost £2 online, £3. So actually It's quite a good deal. I didn't see anything about where to get the magazine from, but I can have a look at that. There was an article about a book, a free magazine, but I'll have a look into that. I can't see anything straight away how to claim a book, unless I missed it along the line. Oh, here we go. Claim your free RHS book. Product code, how to claim free offer, claim your free copy of Grow Your Own. Receive a copy of the April issue of Grow Your Own packed with project, and it gives you details of how to claim. So, and that's the roasting tin for £7 and a binder for your magazines. So there we go, gifts for you. And a competition to win shares. So I'm really pleased with that. Really pleased with that. So I hope you found that interesting. And if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe and ring that bell. Get notifications when I post some more. And watch me sow some of these seeds and watch the garden grow. So thank you very much. Cheers.